Okay, so here it is. This is my 1988 Toyota 4Runner that I posted some previous videos that I had a cranks but no start. Yeah, no start but cranks okay. That's how the book shows it. But anyhow, I just came out here. It's been out here about a day and a half since I did the repair. And yeah, so I'm going to come over here. Let's see, put this on. Yeah, she's starting. She wouldn't do that before. Yeah. Anyhow, so as I said, well, I'm not going to try to really talk over the engine. It's not that loud, but yeah, there's the air meter box there where the little door is. You can, when you take this off here, you can reach in there and you can move the door with like a screwdriver. Like I said, with the key would have to be on, yeah, if you want to check your fuel pump. Like I said, that was one of the issues that people were having. And these connections here on the airbox, yeah, these are very important. Well, this piece here that comes over to the EFI unit, mine here was actually missing. So I actually put a clamp on it, so that might have added to some of my problems. But yeah, and then yeah, you can see in there, there's to the left is that start injector time start switch, and to the right of it is the coolant temperature sensor, which I'm going to replace. You can get those new. I just ordered one from Advanced. I don't know who makes it, but I'll post that later on. But I'm getting that too at the same time. But yeah, so yeah, that sensor to the left controls this injector right here. This is the one. My connection's broken, but I just took it off. But anyhow, yeah, there's the fuel line that comes in to feed it. But yeah, I just took the two bolts off. I pulled it back a little bit, took this connector off, ran 12 volts to it, and I was with the key on, because actually, in order to test that, I had to. Yeah, because you got to get the fuel pressure pump up. I mean, the fuel pressure up. But here's the little diagnostic box I was talking about here on the passenger side, and there you can see it's clearly marked. Well, it's hard to see. There it is here, but it's clearly marked where the terminals and numbers are all off, so they coincide with those there. But in order to test that, yeah, you'll have to jump the fuel pump to get it to turn on, unless you hold that open to get that to actuate, to get the pressure up to be able to test that. That's what I had done. But yeah, this is mine, and those are the different things that I had to do. But hopefully seeing the visual to what my previous videos were showing me doing to diagnose that temp switch. But anyhow, yeah, that'd be it. Like I said, any questions, please hit me up, and I'll be, like I said, be more than happy to answer. Like I said, yeah, air meter box, these connections, the time temp start switch, and that coolant sensor, as I said, and that injector. Yeah, when you check it too, because sometimes they get clogged. So I know guys were cleaning those off too when they were testing for their no starts also. Like I said, the Yoda forum and a couple other folks with some other videos I saw helped me get to my diagnosis, as well as that technical manual that I purchased from eBay. But anyway, like I said, any questions, hit me up, and I will be more than happy to answer. Okay, hopefully everyone has good luck with their repairs. Thanks for listening.